Hey everyone, welcome to Mid-Pack Off-Road. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new project bike. It is a 2015 Husqvarna FC250 4-stroke.
So I picked this motorcycle up on Facebook Marketplace. The seller had it listed as in good condition with the exception of a locked up engine. I made an appointment with him to go out and take a look at it and decided to purchase it when I was there. He had the list price at $1,650 and I was able to talk him down a little bit and purchase this for $1,400. So it is my intention with this build to show you how to go through and troubleshoot a scenario like this with a non-running motorcycle in an attempt to get it running properly again. And we're also going to do a full build on it and try to turn this guy into a budget off-road racer that is capable of competing in hare scrambles, enduros, the occasional motocross, things like that. Sometimes it seems that this sport is overwhelmingly expensive, which it certainly can be. But one of my main goals on this channel is to show you ways to enjoy the sport of off-road motorcycling without spending a fortune. So much content is devoted to the latest and greatest models, and I think that's a bit of a shame considering most of us don't have the budget to be able to afford a new motorcycle and put all the necessary aftermarket equipment on it in order to be competitive and race every single year. One of the things that's always attracted me to dirt bike racing is that although the machine is important, it is also primarily the rider that makes the difference. It's my goal with this build to show you exactly how competitive we can take a 10-year-old motorcycle and be. Step by step, I'm going to walk you through the process of figuring out the issue with the motor and resolving it, as well as going through this entire machine and making sure that it is safe, reliable, and fun. While taking a motorcycle of this age and in this condition and turning it into a reliable off-road racer is going to take certainly plenty of time and is going to be a challenge. However, I believe that the end result will give us something that is very competitive and enjoyable to ride without breaking the bank. This build will be broken down into multiple videos showing area by area exactly what things need to be addressed. For example, I'll do a video showcasing how to diagnose the engine and repair. We'll also go through bearings, suspension, brakes, basically everything step by step on how to take something like this and refurbish it to the point where it needs to be. While a project of this size may not be for a true beginner, my aim is to show you that it is actually manageable to do for someone with a small amount of tools and a moderate mechanical knowledge. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the videos going step by step through this build. Also, let us know in the comments what you think of the machine itself, if you've had one in the past, and what things you think you would do to it in order to make it a good off-road racer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the dirt.